In this video, you will learn about network in Google Ads. So generally Google has two type of network, Google Search Network and Google Display Network, also known as GDN, basically the Google Display Network. So what is network? So network is basically where your ad can show. Okay, so Google has divided these network into two types. So I'll be explaining about network in this video, and watch this video till the end. So I'll be showing where you can see those setting or enable or disable those setting. So friends, if you're looking for any consultation or training, do check out my website adanbuffs.com. As I said earlier, Google had two type of network. So one is Google Search Network. So search network is basically Google, where Google can show ad on search. So as I said earlier, one is Google Search Network. It's basically when you search on Google and you can see the ad. So it's maybe shopping ads, map, or maybe Google search sites, and plus Google Search Partner. So I'll be really showing you some example. Let me open my browser. So when you search on Google, let's say you're looking for an PPC, maybe a mobile phone. So let's say mobile phone. So these are the these are the shopping ads, and these are come under the search network. Let me show you if any ad running on search as well. And these are the search ad. So when you search for something and you see an ad, basically you can say that this is search network, and this is one of the search network is google.co.in. If you open .com, and they have multiple websites like .uk. You can open a website in UK as well. So I guess I typed their URL wrong, .co.uk. Similarly, you can open multiple websites of Google. They all are come under the search network. Now, other website you can see is Search Partner. Let me open that. One website is ask.com. So they show ad on behalf of Google basically. Let me search something. PPC agency. Let me search Google Exploding Willy. So when I search on Google, you see some bunch of ad here. One is LinkedIn ad. So when I mouse over it, you can see here at the bottom. So when I mouse over, you can see this is the Google ad basically. So this is called partner website, Google Search Partner basically. And I'll be showing you in a campaign. Watch this video till the end where you can enable or disable the partner website. And one more place you can see ad is in Google Maps basically. So maybe you're searching on local services like restaurant or maybe pizza, any local services, then you can see ads on Google basically on the maps. Let me show you if I see any ads on Google Map. Let's say site design in Delhi. Maybe I search like this. Here you can see. This is one basically ad on search network. So this could be so, and when you are searching for someone, searching for any particular kitchen or maybe particular store, then you may see that ad basically. So now you have fair idea about the search ad. So type of ads you can see is text ad and dynamic ads or call only ads. Okay, another type of you can see is shopping ad. The shopping ad which I showed you in the top. So again, let me search, t-shirts. These are the shopping ads. Okay. Now next network is basically Google Display Network, also known as GDN. So Google Display Network, you can see ad on YouTube, Blogger, Gmail. Plus Google has multiple partner websites. So where you can see ad, maybe you browsing any news website, there you can see Google basically image ad or banner ads. So the kind of ad you can see is responsive display ad. So where you can upload some images and add some text, multiple text on that, and Google show ad on others website. You can upload an image, custom images also have multiple dimension. So let me show some of the dimension. Google Ads, Google Display Ad sizes. So let me open this image. This is pretty much good. So you can see, let me open this in a new image tab. So these kind of sizes you can see in Google Display Network. So if you're using custom images, so you have to basically customize all these kind of images. But when you use responsive ads, so you just need to upload two images, one logo and some bunch of text. So Google automatically created all these sizes in the Google Ads basically. Another you can see is Gmail ads. So let me open my Gmail where you can see those Gmail ads. Google can show you ad many ways. So let me just open it. So under the promotion tab, I won't see any ad. Let me open my other email ID. So because this is a new email ID I set up for Google Ads, so I might won't see any ads right now. So let me open another email ID. I mean, Google is not showing ad to me right now. So on the top here you can see some bunch of ad. Maybe I cannot see that right now. So on Google Ad, you see you can, whenever you open your Gmail, on the here in this position you see some ads basically. Yeah, here it is. I mean, that's not loaded properly. So these are the basically Gmail ads. So you can also run Gmail, show ads on other people on Gmail when they open their Gmail ads basically. So these kind of app you can see in Gmail. Now here is the one more thing. If you want to advertise on Google, so you need to run basically ad on Google. And if you want to show ads on your website, then you can use Google AdSense. So let me open is Google AdSense. So this is Google AdSense, and some of the example again let me show you the example of ads. Liveband, let me open this. Let me open, oh sorry, I clicked on the ad. So whenever you click on ad, I mean some money get deducted from their account basically. So this is the ads by Google. This is the Google Ads, and I guess this one is also Google Ads. So if you want to show these kind of ad on website, then you need to register on Google AdSense. So I mean, you might know about it already. So Google AdSense. So you need a website and some traffic and some content on the website, then you can get approved and show these kind of ad on your website. So Google pays when you show these kind of ad on your website. So if you have a website and you got a traffic, so you can use that and you can earn some money with that. Now, as I said earlier, where you can see those settings. So when you create a new campaign, so generally I start with without goal, search campaign, and you can put a website if you want. So right now I'm not adding any website, just click on continue. So now you can name basically your campaign properly. So naming can be, this is the website which I want to run ads for. Let's say I'm running ads for PPC or maybe website designing. So you can name your campaign, let's say web design. Okay, so this is how you can name your campaign. Let's say you have multiple campaign, I mean 15 to 20 campaign. So if you do not name your campaign properly, I mean, you kind of forget what kind of campaign. So name your campaign properly. So if you won't name your campaign properly, you won't remember what kind of campaign that is. So if you want to remember what kind of campaign you have, name that campaign properly so that you can remember, and you can name it whatever as per your convenience so that you can remember properly. So here you can see network. Again, we have two kind of network here. So search network and display network. So if you want to show ad on basically partner sites, then you can enable this. Or if you don't want to show ads on partner site, then you can uncheck it. So again, same goes for the Google display network. So if you want to show ads on Google display network, then you can enable it, otherwise you can disable it. So whenever you are running ads, okay, so whether on search or whether on display. So when you set up first time, Google enable both the options. So what you need to do is just disable this. So whenever you are running ads, do create separate campaign for each network. If you are running ad for search network, create an ad for only search network. And if you want to show ads on basically Google display network, and create a separate campaign for display network. So when you're running ad, generally start with search ad and you can include the search partner. So where you can see basically these ads on live. So let me show you in one of my live campaign. So this is the campaign I managed in the past. So just what you need to do is me pull up this screen. So go to the all campaign, then select any campaign, or you can do enable also all campaign. So here you can see one option segment. So under this segment, you see network with search partner. So here you can see the report of particular the search partner, basically how many clicks or impressions you have got from the search partner. After seeing that, you can make a decision whether running ads on search partner is profitable or not. So if you don't find any profitable, just go back and check this. Okay, simple. And if you find this profitable, then let it run. I mean, there's no issue if you find it profitable. So you can check that whether it's got me some conversion or not. So based on that, you can enable or disable it. So if you are running a display ad, then you can see basically reports here. So this is another campaign. So just go to the display, click on display campaign, and under the placement, you can see where ad showed. So these are the places basically. These are some live talk, chat basically app, and here bunch of other websites. So you can again from there you can decide which website is getting me conversion or not. So based on that, you can, just include it or maybe exclude it. So in both way, you can do that, whether it's running ad on search and whether you are running ad on display network. So friend, this is it in this video. And if you're looking for any training on consultation or any of these services, do check out my website. Again, thank you so much. Do subscribe to my channel. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you so much.